back to my channel. Today I'm preparing mixed vegetables. I have green beans here, baby marrows, and I've got petty pans and then carrots. I'm going to use butter and I'm going to use veggie seasoning. I buy this veggie seasoning from Macro. You can also buy it from Spar. I used to buy a small tub at Spar. I don't know whether they still have it, but if you want this spice, you can always go to Macro.
Start off by chopping the ends of the baby marrows. Cut the baby marrows into smaller pieces. Now onto the patty pans, which we cut the ends off as well. Next, we cut them into smaller pieces as well. Now we will proceed to peel the carrots first. As with the baby marrows and patty pans, we cut the carrots into smaller pieces too.
Okay guys, so this is how our veggies are looking like. I'm now going to start steaming these veggies for about 5 minutes. Remember guys, the veggies has got its own water, so I'm not going to use any water to steam them. I'm just going to put them in the pot and then I will steam them. After steaming your veggies for 5 minutes, then you can add your butter. I'm now adding a generous amount of butter. And then I'm going to continue adding the veggie spice. Remember guys, this spice is Robertson's veggie seasoning. Robertson's veggie seasonings, I always buy it from Macro. This is actually a big tub, but you can buy smaller tubs at Spar. I hope they still have it at Spar. I'm also going to add a generous amount of this spice, and then I'm going to mix it up a little bit. This spice is so delicious. I have been using this spice for a very long time. I think I must add a little bit of the spice. A little bit again. This smells so good. This spice is so delicious. Smells good. The aroma that is coming out here, so good. Okay, our vegetables are almost ready to be served. Or if you want, you can also grill the vegetables in the oven. You can also use the spice to grill your potatoes as well. So I'm now going to put this part into the oven to grill a little bit. The veggies are now ready. I'm taking them out. This is how they look like. So delicious. I am now going to enjoy this delicious vegetables with a little bit of rice and chicken. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, see you on the next recipe.